So welcome. We have this question from JAM 1995, question 24, where we're asked to find the value of k if we're given minus 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, k, 1, 3, minus 1, which is a 3 by 3 matrix and has a determinant as 23. Quickly in solving this, we write solution. Next, we proceed to copy out the elements of the matrix. Minus 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, k, 1, 3, minus 1. Next, what we do is that we do a recopy of our first two columns. So we're going to have a column 4 and a column 5. So we have minus 2, 2, 1. We have from column 2, 1, 1, 3. Now draw a diagonal line starting from row 3, column 1, where we have 1, and terminating at row 1, column 3, where we have 1. Draw another diagonal line from row 3, column 2, where we have 3, and terminating at row 1, column 4, here we have minus 2. Draw another diagonal line from row 3, column 3, where we have minus 1, and terminating at row 1, column 5, where we have 1. Next, we'll come back to row 1, column 1, where we have minus 2. I'll draw a diagonal line from that point to row 3, column 3, where we have minus 1. Next, we'll draw a diagonal line from row 1, column 2, where we have 1, to row 3, column 4, where we have 1. Lastly, we'll draw a diagonal line from row 1, column 3, where we have 1, and terminating at row 3, column 5, where we have 3. All right. Now we'll proceed to multiply the values for the element falling within each diagonal line. So we have 1 times 1 times 1 gives us 1. 3 times k times minus 2 gives us minus 6k. And we'll have minus 1 rather, times 2 times 1. This gives us minus 2. Move down. Here we have minus 2 times 1 times minus 1. This gives us 2. Next, we have 1 times k times 1. This gives us k. And lastly, we have 1 times 2 times 3. This gives us 6. All right. Now we'll proceed to sum up our upper values and our bottom values separately. So we have sum of upper values. From the up, we have 1 plus bracket open minus 6k bracket close plus bracket open minus 2 bracket close. This gives us 1 minus 6k times plus times bracket open minus 6k. This ends up giving us minus 6k. We have plus times bracket open minus 2 bracket close. This gives us minus 2. We end up having minus 6k minus 1 from our up. While from our bottom, we have a sum of bottom values. This gives us a 2 plus k plus 6. This is equal to, take like terms, we have k. 2 plus 6 gives us 8. Now we subtract all upper values, the sum of our upper values from that of our bottom values. So we have a sum of bottom values, bracket close, minus bracket open, sum of upper values, bracket close. So we have from our the bottom we have k plus 8 minus bracket open. From our upper side of our work we have a minus 6k minus 1 bracket close. Now this is equal to k plus 8 minus times minus 6k. This gives us plus 6k minus times minus 1. We end up having plus 1. Collect like terms. We have a k plus 6k, end up having 7k. Then plus 8 plus 1, we have a plus 9. Not being too fast, though. Remember our determinant was given as 23, equal to 23. All right, now proceed, and we have this to be equal to 7k. We take our 9 to the other side of our equal to, so we have this to be equal to 23 minus 9. So we have 7k to be equal to 23 minus 9 gives us 14. All right, now we proceed to divide both sides of our expression by 7. Divide here by 7. Divide this side by 7 also. 7 will cancel 7. 7 here 1. 14 divided by 7 gives us 2. So we have therefore k is equal to 2. That's our final answer. Thank you.